and Gone Free Bread.
I thought it was Gone Free Dint.
Gone Free Dint.
Or whatever it's called.
Gone Free Dint. Gone Free Meep and Gone Free Dint. Joe, stop.
Bro, what the?
And we're right next to Brewology. For a certain reason.
And the Sunoco gas station on 116 in Smithfield.
Oh yeah. So at Deerfield Park, all the way over there behind the trees, there's gonna be some fire.
And behind the high school.
And there's gonna be some fireworks, and that's what we're here for. Let's show you our setup.
Yeah.
I don't know why there is tanks there.
Those are propane tanks.
I know. And we got an umbrella for the sun. And a taco behind the umbrella. One chair.
Well,
And then a whole bunch of stuff.
is behind those ladies.
But all we like to do is taco around. Oh, and we'll see you guys when we are watching the Taco fireworks. It's starting at 9 o'clock.
Don't forget.
Or 9:30. I really don't know.
Don't forget, consider subscribing.
Consider tacoing.
Consider subscribing, liking, and hitting the notification bell to click all.
Taco.
Okay.
Peace.
We'll see you. We're watching the Matako fireworks.
Peace. Peace. You want that chair?
Boom.
Wow. I always love the finale, but this is not the finale. This is the beginning. What the heck is that?
The heck?
Whoa.
Oh.
Two at once.
Two of them. Oh, that is a big bomber. What a bomber! Oh, frick.
Joe, knock it off.
Bomber. Oh, hey. Okay. Number 6. Put them. Oh, that is a big bomber.
People are in this car.
Ba-bum. Oh, wow, that is a lot of fire. That went high. Oh, what a big bomber. Whoa, that's a big one.
Ba-boom.
Ba-bum. Good job.
Ba-boom.
Good job. Ba-bum.
Seriously, man,
Ba-bum.
blocking my camera.
Bum.
Whoa.
That was huge.
That's a big one. That looks like a freaking air balloon. That looks like a Ferris wheel.
That definitely looks a lot like a Ferris wheel.
It looks like a roller coaster with all that fog up in the air.
Whoa, that was big.
Like the only time you can see the fog is when the firework is lighting up.
Oh, we're going up, going up.
Uh-oh. Shoot! Boom!
Whoa!
And the boomerang. Joey's favorite color.
My fave. Godfrey Meek's favorite color. Boom.
Yeah, we knock it off.
Wait, we got a big bomber now. Whoa!
Purp! Oops, again. It's a black light for the haunt. Go, Kip. The roar.
Oh, wow.
The roar. There's no A.
But I can tell you that I don't like what you're talking.
There's a not. Oh,
No, stop swearing.
I'm not swearing. I know what to swear, not you.
I know what a swear word is. Whoa!
Okay. Looks like Dave's truck.
Alright, guys.
I'm not recording the whole thing. I'm only recording the beginning and then the grand finale.
Alright.
Time for the grand finale.
This is not the grand finale.